Today, I will show you the desktop plasma cutting machine produced by Durmapress. I will show you its appearance and working process. Let's take a look. Its production details are as shown in the video. The appearance of the machines produced by Durmapress will never disappoint you. Its appearance is very fashionable, and the production details are also full of sincerity. Next, let us carefully observe every production detail. Desktop plasma cutting machines have several significant advantages that make them widely used in many industries. Plasma cutting machines can reach a speed of 5 to 6 times that of oxygen cutting methods, especially when cutting ordinary, carbon steel thin plates. The cut surface is smooth, with little thermal deformation and almost no heat-affected zone. It can cut a variety of metal materials, including non-ferrous metals such as stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and titanium. The machine is light and easy to operate, and does not require complex auxiliary equipment such as compressors and transformers. Because plasma cutting machines can cut various metal materials quickly and efficiently, they are widely used in automobile manufacturing, aerospace, shipbuilding, and other fields. In the construction industry, plasma cutting machines are used to cut various construction steels and aluminum materials because of their fast cutting speed and high precision. In mechanical manufacturing, plasma cutting machines are suitable for cutting various mechanical parts and molds because of their high precision and smooth cuts. These characteristics make desktop plasma cutting machines an indispensable equipment in many industries, which not only improves work efficiency, but also improves product quality and precision. Interested bosses are welcome to come to Durmapress for free consultation. That's the end of today's video. See you next time.